At a press briefing held today, the DGP of Meghalaya, R Bishnoi, had informed newspersons on the recent jailbreak in the state, where out of the 7 arrested, 6 escaped, though from amongst them 4 were lynched by the mob, while 2 others were rearrested. Bishnoi also added that 4 constables found to have been conniving with the jailbreakers have also been arrested.
I think in the first case, the one UTP was escaped, and that was captured again, and now he has been transferred to the William Nagar jail. And in second case, the 6 accused escaped. Out of that, unfortunately, 4 were lynched by the police, and 2 were re-escaped. So to overcome this, I have sent a team of senior officers to inspect the jail, and during their inspection they found that most of the CCTVs were non-functional, and we have strengthened the security deployment and so that the more points can be covered day and night, and we have suggested the jail authority the installation of certain lights at certain crucial points, and we have also noticed that connivance of the jail staffs in second case, and accordingly immediately the district police they found some evidence, and the 4 persons were arrested from the jails and they were forwarded into judicial custody. The case is under investigation. I have requested IG Prisons to inspect all the jails and what to be required to strengthen the jail security. So he will submit the report, and after that we will sit together and decide.